Hello guys, we have another device here. Um, the problem was liquid damage, as the customer told. Then I think it is charging. Yeah, but it is not powering on. So we'll open it and we will see what's the problem inside. As usual, we will be using the Pentalob number 5 screwdriver. So guys, as you can see, I did not see any liquid spill. I think it is clean. Taking out the battery, we will be using the Torx number 5 or T5. Before we take out the motherboard, we will just try again. Put power and turn on the device. Now we will just observe if the fan is working. It is not working, so it means there's a problem on the motherboard. So we will take out the motherboard and check. Taking out the motherboard, we will be using the Torx number 5 or T5. First, remove all attached cables from the motherboard. Second, remove all cards like SSD and Wi-Fi. And make sure you sort all the screws. And now we see liquid damage. I am sure the client knows what happened to his laptop, so when he said liquid damage, we did not see it at first at the front, but in the back side here we see all liquid damage parts. So guys, in this situation, first you have to clean it and remember the components that are critical to power the device. So guys, these are those chips, backlight IC, this chip U3710, so those are the chips that are hit badly by liquid. First thing we do, we clean it so that we can see all the lost connection and damaged parts. As you can see guys, after we clean the device, I mean the motherboard, these are the only parts that concerns us. There are some lost connection, but I think it's not that bad, you know. Of course it is repairable, not to the point that we need to replace it. So this is the backlight IC. And these caps are bad also, but it's not that bad. We can replace it, or I think it's still working. And also this cap. So guys, I will just reconnect lost connection, and we will see if it will work. What I'm doing now guys is just reconnecting all lost contact uh, parts from the motherboard, so I mean from the circuit. I'm not replacing anything yet. Lost connection guys, it means some lost connected parts or pin of the IC, or a broken circuit. So all of that you have to check if it's like liquid damage. That is why you need only to focus where the liquid uh, parts hit badly. Okay guys, this is what we did. We just resolder all lost connected parts and reconnect all disconnected circuit. We did not replace any parts yet. So now we will try if it works. Based on the liquid spill, these are the parts that are heavily affected. So those are the parts that we reconnect. Some pins are disconnected or lost, have lost contact to the circuit, so we just reconnect. First thing to do, guys, we will just have to connect the power, I mean the power supply. Then we will see if the fan works. So as you can see, guys, the fan now is working. So probably it will work also. I mean, probably the motherboard now is working fine. So now we will try. Of course, we will not put the screws yet. Uh, because we don't know if it is working. We just put some screw just to lock the board. Okay, time to check. Okay, guys, remember we did not replace any parts yet. Um, we only reconnect all lost connection and disconnected pins from the circuit, or disconnected parts from the circuit, and here we go. It's working. uh, Now we will put the battery if it is working fine. So guys, to check if the battery is working, so take out the cord. As you can see, there's still 30%. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed if I have new videos. And please support me so that I can it will help me to be motivated in making these videos. And of course, if we will be monetized, so we will buy new tools like so that it will improve our videos, uh, like the pro. So guys, thank you and God bless.